Hi guys, let's try to cover today topic the evaluations order in the DAX. The question for you, have you ever written a DAX formula that looks perfect but give you a wrong result? So problem is not your logic, it is a evaluation order. So most developers don't know how to DAX actually run a nested function. So in this few minutes, I will show you how to think like a DAX engine. So come on the screen. Before this topic, let's create some small metrics in or and measures in the our desktop. So I'll just open the Power BI desktop, and this function I have already written the customer sales. Let's do one thing. I'll just create some more measure and just take some cost, right? So this is the customer sales. Let's take some cost from here. I'll just open our Power BI and the new measure. In this new measure, let's take the like the cost measure, shift enter, formula SUMX, shift enter, and sales by store. The table name is sales by store, tab, comma, shift enter, and then give the your quantity. So quantity is under the customer by sales or sales by store. So simply put the quantity. So the quantity will come, and then into the again the current cost is in the another table, that is the product lookup, and this is already connected with the this sales by store table. So we can call this entire line, entire this header customer sorry, this current cost. So we can use another function related. Through the related, I can call entire line in front of this, so we can evaluate this and functions row by row. So I want this current cost, right? Enter, and this is completed. Enter, and that is this one also completed. So I'm just going, this one is completed here, and this was completed here. Hit enter. So cost would be here. Let's suppose I want the profit. So profit is just simply the total customer sale minus the cost, right? So profit, one more measure, profit, profit is simply put this square bracket minus, put the square bracket cost, simply enter. So this is the simple this measure. And let's do one thing, let's try to understand our topic, that was the evaluations. So evaluations order is a simply is a process by which DAX evaluate the parameter in the functions, right? So it's a two type. One is the individual function, second is a nested function. Let's try to understand the individual function. That's work left to right. Let's suppose this is a nested sorry, non-nested function, and this non-nested function is a logical test. This is evaluate first, then give the result, then go for the second, and then go for the third. So that basically it will work. And nested function, the nested function simply work like this. So just suppose it will complete it the first one, this related table, and then completed sorry, the second one and the third one, and give the result totally, right? So that is the work like this. And let's give some more example. In this function is a not nested function. So in this not nested function we just recently created, first it will return like this, This one, it will go and the evaluate the expression row by row and give the result in the non-nested function. If it is the nested function, so first this will evaluates, right? And in this function come this was this related function will evaluate first, the second one and third one. When it will complete it, then we execute this filter, then go in this filter and evaluate the next table, output the filter, and this will come in the SUMX and the last. So that will work like this. Okay, so evaluation order in the DAX. So I hope you understand this. I just go much deeply. You must know about this while you working the DAX. If you get the wrong result, you can check it why this result is coming wrong. So we'll do one more thing. We'll do some more practical in this in the coming video. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned.